Okay, so we are at Desa Sukarara, and this is one of the tenun centers in Lombok. We know this is a huge shop full of tenun, but actually what has been happening is that there are so many local houses in the back of the shop where these locals use their time wisely to actually create their own version of tenun. And once the tenuns are done, they are being transported here in the shop so that the tourists, including me, can come over and check them out. And you can see just behind it there, the ibu-ibu are doing the tenun. So that's actually like one of the requirements of, of becoming a sasak lady. And we have also been told by the guide that there are actually two types of tenun in the back. The first one is the songket tenun. The characteristic is that the front and the back side is kind of different, whereas the one at the back, which is tenun ikat, has the same pattern in the back and in the front. So let us go to the shop, you guys. My favorite tenun, actually any that has natural coloring, also the ones that come from the eastern part of Indonesia. I gotta show you my collections. Not many actually, later, sometime. We are done here for now, but my adventure is not over yet. And now I am heading to Desa Sade to see more of Lombok culture. I can't spill everything just yet. So, see you on the next video.